when I was 17, I taught a Shakespeare class, and at the end of the semester, there was supposed to be a parents' night where kids gave presentations and read papers. The problem with being 17 is that you don't know a lot of things. Reliving this memory is torture. Kids in this class are like 11 to 14 years old. I don't think I sent out a flyer. I think I literally just told the kids. So I go to the library in the free event space in the basement, and I set up all the chairs. Then I wait, and nobody shows up. It's like mortified that I had set up this event and nobody showed up. All that to say, I'm trying to launch my book, right? And I need to tell people about it, and things that I hear say I need to do webinars so I can tell them what it's about. And I am so scared. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. I'm like so scared nobody's gonna show up. Wow, I did not see that coming, but I'm gonna do it. And even if I just have one people show up, I used to teach a Sunday school class, the Old Testament. I had people come to me who said they would not go to any other Sunday school class except for mine because I made things fun and entertaining. So I can make the most boring things entertaining. Guess people don't know I'm entertaining until they come, huh? You can't go sign up for it now because I'm so scared I haven't even started. But I will. So if you see it and you want to come to my webinar, know that I'm nervous, but I'll do a good job.